Okay, let's talk about comb tool. You can comb your hair in any direction that you want. Just select the hair and go with the comb. The direction. Based on the camera, you can you can see it's not a brush. You can see you cannot brush anything. You have to change the setting and just say apply. It's better to change the guys, not the vertex, in the area in a higher value. Nice. Then go back to the comb. And based on the camera view, you can see we have a camera, we have a world, means the world of the software based on the world. Or if you rotate your if you rotate your objects, it locally change. Based on the camera, it's applying to the X. You can see it's rotating to X. Sorry, I think because of the geometry weighting. I will be show you more what is this. Okay, just apply and you can see based on the camera it's bringing to base. It's better to use word. For example, if you want to exactly go to the Z direction, in D direction you can go to the word Z and just do it. You can see it's calm in this direction based on a word. Or locally Z means, for example, if you rotate your object in any direction, select plane, you can see the gizmo of the local object is different between with the word, and you can use all of the local, for example local X. Okay, nice. So it's a difference between local. Another thing is a spline. It means you can control the direction of the hair with a spline. Go into the top menu and create a simple spline and done. At the top you can see it's changing the direction of the hair based on the, let's add a simple and good material to this to better seeing the hair. Nice. It's changing the hair direction with this. Nice. Going to hair and the comb and drag and drop this spline there, and don't forget to apply. Now you can see it changed the direction of the comb, any direction that you want. It's from root. It means it's look at the root direction to changing the direction of the comb, that we can deactivate that. And from root, it tell on the geometry weighting. It means it's following the geometry. So you can doing something like this. For better seeing that, I suggest to, I think in a viewport you can see the hairline. Now to comb, and I think with the spline. Now you can see better changing the way of the hairs with spline. And here you can clear that. Another thing is texture. It's changing the direction of the hair with a texture. You can create a texture that has color code X, red, color code Z, blue, and Y. I created this texture for you, green, red, blue, and other color in between them. Just drag and drop in a plane to better see that. Then going to hair, and then where was that tool? Going to the simulation, I suddenly close that. Hair tool. Oh, what am I doing? Nice. No, not there. What am I doing here? Accidentally. Nice. And again, comp. And you can see based on the color, for example, X is red, it's bringing this direction, Z in that direction. Going to the comp and change it to texture, and you have to drag and drop texture here. It's not need to assign the texture here. I want to show it better for you. Load the texture from here. Okay, I load that, and don't forget to apply. Now you can see nicely it's going in that direction. Z, because of red, is going this direction, Y going that direction, and other color are changing based on the color code between this main color. So it's not black and white, don't forget that. This is in texture. Okay, you can clear that or make it to, for example, locally Z. Bring all of them here. Or you can curve your hair based on this curve. You can see this is from the root to the tip. You can control your hair comb with this spline. Interesting. Okay, prevent intersection. It prevents intersection between hair and the object. Geometry weighting. Look at this image. For example, you have this image, this object, something like the road or something like this. The render of it, you can see that. And if you add a hair, it creates something like this. But if you go to the comb and activate geometry weighting, it's try to follow the curvature of the polygon. And this option is very good too when you want to create a whole fur in the body, and it's completely follow the direction of the polygon. In this case, comb is very nice. So activate geometry weighting. In this case, it does not mean anything, but you can activate it in curvy objects. Weight, it's actually power of that following, 100% following or less. Limit, if you can turn it on or off. It's limit the distance with the distance. It's look this distance to follow the curvature. You can limit that following. Okay, this is all about the comb. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.